It won't let me do it. Did you see that? It won't let me. That's when you know you've done it right. Good morning, everybody. And I truly mean good morning because it's currently 8:09 in the morning. I don't know if you can see that. No, you can't. Hold up. Can you see that? No, you can't. Because I have poor time management skills and this is the only time I had to film this video. So here we are, 8 a.m. about to do a full glam look. So for today's makeup look, I was inspired by Miss Kim Kardashian West. This is just the most gorgeous makeup look. I'm gonna have to put it here because it's so blurry. This is my favorite makeup ever. Like, obviously I don't go out and wear this every single day, but if I want to like catfish people, sorry, I feel like I'm overplaying that, but honestly, if I want to like make people think I'm cute, or if I want to feel cute, if I'm going clubbing, this is definitely like my go-to. So anyways, without further ado, let's get started. I gotta be like a little bit quiet because Francesco's sleeping in the other room. Waffles is sleeping here, and I just woke up Carl. So Carl,
that's why I hate you.
Poor Carl. He wakes up at 8 a.m. every mother effing day. Right, Carl?
Stop talking to me.
So, for my primer, I'm going to be using the Dr. Jart Ceramidin, or Ceramidin, I have no idea how to pronounce that. It's a moisture retention shield, which I'm pretty sure means moisturizer in a really fancy way. So we're going to use that. If I seem really tired, the coffee hasn't hit me yet, but hopefully it hits me soon. Oh, how am I going to do this with the bangs? Should I take off the wig for this part of the video? Okay, taking it off. So for my eye cream, I'm going to put on the Multifunction Formula Snail Repair Eye Cream. Then I'm going to put on the Burt's Bees Moisturizing Lip Balm. Ugh, it's hitting the pan. Not hit the pan, it's hit the stick. Ugh, it's uncomfortable to put this on because it's like jabbing me. Now it's inverting. Weird. I bought this about a year ago, but I don't think it expires, does it? What the hell do I know? And of course, before I do anything, I'm going to use my Victoria's Secret Bare Vanilla Body Mist. I just feel like I get in the mode of, oh, I just spilled it in my coffee. I'm still gonna drink it though. So for my brows, I love to use the Anastasia Dip Brow. The way to make the perfect brow is to put it against your nose like this, make a little dot, then put it diagonal so it lines up with your pupil. You actually want to do it like just underneath and then here like that. So that's our perfect brow. Let me just do it on this side. When you get to like the inner part, get rid of most of your product on your brush. I don't know why I had to think of that word. And I just lightly move so there's a little bit of color there. Just take a little bit of concealer. Watch, I've put so much work into these brows and now you're not even gonna see them when I put on the wig. So I'm gonna start off with this color right here by Jaclyn Hill. It's like a really nice warm transition color. So I'm gonna put that in the crease. Then I'm gonna be using this color right here. So I'm gonna be blending these two colors. A little dab and then boom, one dab. I'm gonna just be brave. Let's just go for this black color right here. We're just gonna do it. It looks so bad. Ugh. Let's go ahead and pop this bad boy. We're gonna blend these two guys together and just like blend it in. It looks good in the mirror, but when I look in the camera, I'm like, oh my god. I'm just gonna get rid of this under eye mess with the Nivea Daily Essentials Double Effective Makeup Remover. So for my liner, I'm gonna be using the NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner. I was actually recommended this by a viewer. It's amazing, so thank you, whoever recommended that. Sorry, I know this is gonna look really bad for a bit. Ignore it, okay? Because we're not done. And I'm gonna use the Rimmel Scandalize Kohl Liner. That looks so crazy. Look at how much my eyes popped because of that. I'm just gonna go over a little bit again with this color from Jaclyn Hill right here. Then for my mascara, I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Telescopic in Extra Black, and I've used this so much. Look, there's no writing on it anymore. Okay, so now obviously you can't just stop here, okay? If you think you're gonna get away with not putting on falsies, girl, click off this video. If you don't put on falsies, it ain't gonna transform this look. I wanna like keep it a little toned down today, which I mean, it probably doesn't look like I'm toning it down. I'm gonna be using these lashes, which are called Stevie. Dropped it. I thought it was gonna go everywhere. And then I'm gonna go over that with my eyeliner. Oh no! What is that? So for my foundation, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation in the shade Beige. If you watched my past catfishing tutorial, you would know I'm obsessed with this foundation. £7.50 first of all, and it works amazing. The only downside though, this smells like a baby. Like, you know, like when I change a baby's diaper? That's what it smells like. But I'm down to smell like a baby's diaper if it means only spending £7.50. Then for my concealer, I'm going to be using the Revolution Conceal and Define in the color C1. This is only £4 from Boots, and it is so full coverage. People say it's like the Tape Shape. Is it called Tape Shape by Tarte? It's just amazing. I wonder if there's anything that's gonna come up. Nope, it's empty. So I really wanted to use the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder, but I ran out. So I guess no baking for me today. We're just gonna go in with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. So before we go any further, I'm gonna quickly finish the under eye, just so we don't have to like go back to it. We can just be done. So I'm gonna go back in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna use darker color here. This one and this one. Did I ruin my eyes? I think I ruined it. What did I do? Okay, it's okay. It's fine. We can fix it. I'm gonna go in with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. Under where I feel like I went a little too far. Hopefully that fixes it. Then I'm gonna go back with Scandalize and actually bring that down a little bit. This is like the scariest part. Like, I don't trust myself. Bless me. I'm starting to look like a raccoon, guys. Don't worry, we're gonna fix it. So I'm actually going to just take that and smudge it. Okay, that looks really good now. I'm proud of myself. Then I'm gonna take my L'Oreal Telescopic. I'm going to take the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish and just soften up everything. Okay, so let's go with, oh, I got a wish. Or is this my fake lash? Is it bad luck to make a wish on a fake eyelash? For my contour, I love to use the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I use the lightest one, obviously, because I'm pale as F. I use this one. A lot of you guys were saying in my last video to go a little bit higher with my contour because you think it's a little too low for my face shape. So I'm gonna try that. If I look crazy, that's all because of you guys. Then for my bronzer, I'm gonna use the Hoola Benefit bronzer. Can you guys please recommend me a good drugstore or even just any bronzer in general, because this is the only one I've ever used in my life. So a little trick that I learned is if you contour your face, use the bronzer and go a little bit over the top. Not a lot though, just a little bit like that, and then stop. Look at how much warmer it just makes my face compared to this side. Just as I told you guys with the eyeshadow, if you make a mistake, like say here for example, just go over it with your powder and it will kind of help you a little bit. Cute. So the blush I'm gonna be using is by MAC. It's Peachy Keen. I'm not gonna put a lot. Don't put a lot on, girl, because you don't want to look crazy. Then for my favorite highlighter, I'm gonna be using the MAC Soft and Gentle. You don't want to go too crazy with this either. Just a little bit. Like that and stop. A little bit. A little bit. Dab here. Dab there. Oh my god, I forgot to contour. I always forget to contour my nose. Then to soften it out, I'm just gonna go back in with my powder. And then we can finish the highlight. A little bit, and a little bit, and a little bit, and a little bit, and stop. Close it. Don't touch it. I'm trying to like rush this part because I just want to make sure my camera doesn't die. Oh, the battery's flashing just as I said that. Okay, hurry, I gotta hurry up. Where is it? No, where is it? Ah! Okay, guys, if you are pale like me, you need to go grab this right now from your local drugstore. You need to get the NYX lip liner in the shade Pale Pink. Watch. This has changed my entire life. This literally matches my lip color. If you guys aren't as pale, just get anything that matches your lip color, because I'm pretty much gonna give myself like a lip job. And then to go over top, I'm gonna be using the Oh My Gloss in the color Purr Glossy Cat. Oh my god. I love it. Look at that. If you overline your lips and you put on lip gloss, it shows right away and everyone's like, oh my god, this bitch has overlined her lips. But if you use a lip color, like a lip liner that is the same shade as your lips, like look at how blended in that is now. I've been literally wearing this lip combo every single day because I just can't. It's just too much. So yeah, that's Pale Pink and Purr Kitty Cat. So now that I'm finished my face, I'm gonna put on my wig really quick, and boom, that is the finished look. Tell me, does it look kind of similar? Oh, my face. Oh, look at that. You know you've catfished when it doesn't recognize your face. Look at this. It won't let me do it. Did you see that? It won't let me. Yeah, I've catfished. That's when you know you've catfished, when your iPhone doesn't even recognize you. Come on. That's when you know you've done it right. Probably because of the bangs. Let me try without the bangs. Nope. Wow. It doesn't recognize me. This is gonna be weird now because it's 11 a.m. and I'm in full glam. I'm ready to go out, like I'm beat, like wig on. Okay, so that was the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me catfish level iPhone not recognizing me, and I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas day, I don't know, because I pre-filmed this. I just still can't believe my iPhone does. Oh my god, it recognized me.